Okay, so I'm here in Warsaw standing by this amazing clump of hollyhocks. Yes to these hollyhocks. And of course, because they're not mine, I'm not going to prune them, but if I was, I would look at the stem and decide whether these are buds or spent blooms. So our taxi came and I had to stop the video, but really quick, I just want to show you on this other hollyhock that's in Krakow where to cut. This is a new bud, so I will leave that. This right here is a spent one, so if I were to cut it, I would cut right here, because if I cut up here, this stem will turn brown anyway and just kind of look ugly, so you might as well just cut all the way down to the stem. There's a happy little bee inside, covered in pollen, and that's how I would prune the hollyhock if it was mine.